of his face review, but you can see it on my channel. So let's try to do it. Let's try to do it. I'll send it to Wesley so he can post it so people can see his face review. Wait. I'm not doing the face review. Oh my god. I have to get out of this seat to see just one single face. No. Yes! What? Dang, bro's too heavy. No. No, okay. You don't realize I could just do this. Oh, I just realized. Bro, I'm just recording the black screen, bro. No, you're not. Just look. Really fast. Oh, yes. Okay. Did you see? I didn't even look all the way. No. Shush little baby! Shush little baby! Shush little baby!